Lada don kidukan dikot kiba dikot ha kedor ba palat ya kedor bala Shon hapokon kipai ba kide ban lej Ujor da ke ijahar persya ikine kidukan hapok ki police station ya kanela ong do menteri kasan puleu Rakkam esangma hamba benrap ba ki try dukan kimla bandi palat ya kedor bala Shon hakikot school Rakkam la ong ba kemekelaya board of school of education embos kala ada penmi da ka hukum order sekinong penmi kot publisher bat kano teli kikot kide ban penmi bat kano kedor kide bandi.
Pricing high should not arise, should not have any question because the price already printed. So I think the price of the book should be according to the printed price at the book itself. So as per the quoted price, Meghalaya School has already given them work order to print how many copies for how many prices. I think beyond that, and the question should not arise. If any discrepancies, any illegal thing happen, so I think anybody can file a complaint to the police also because they cannot go beyond the textbook as prescribed price, right?
No, there is a shortage of textbook.
Look, it is like this. The Meghalaya School has already given the order to the publisher how many number of books to be published. I think they have done their due diligence. They have published already the book and they have placed in the market. Most of that's what informed to me. And the question of shortage should not arise. But however, this is a new textbook. The new textbook will happen. There may be some small challenges. Yes, definitely will be happened.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center